Hi everybody, I'm making this recording to show you how to watch the sessions that we have online and maybe you cannot attend, and you can now watch them on Blackboard. So if you go to your homepage on Blackboard and click here for our online sessions through Blackboard Collaborate, you are directed to this page. Click here on the menu and then click on recordings. And you will see a list of recordings that are selected by date. In some cases, I added some information after the session. So for example, this is a recording of our discussions about the self-assessment and one of the podcasts. This is a recording about the information about essay number 2. You click on that particular recording and you click on watch now and you'll be redirected. This is a video that I'm doing for all my classes, although here you will only see information about my English 12 class. If you go to English 24 or English 30, according to which class you are in, you'll see different recordings here and different topics. But this is, in all cases, this is how you can get and watch the recordings of our synchronous sessions on the different days that we have them.